Greetings, everyone. I'm back at the Spring Hill Cemetery here in Charleston, West Virginia. I wanted to do a quick walkthrough, show you the cemetery a little bit. And unlike my other videos, I took in honor of finally reaching the 100 subscriber mark, I brought a little co-host. Say hi, Petey. Hey, buddy. Yeah, he's my little guest host for this walkthrough. He's a good little dog. The city actually encourages you to walk your pets up here. Of course, they offer some little baggies in case of an emergency. And I got him one, and I got one for me, so because you never know, you know. But let's go over and check this mausoleum, Petey. Come on, big guy. Yeah, I like little dogs. I haven't had a dog for a long time. This is actually, Petey belongs to some of my family, and me and the wife had been taking care of him for a few days, which has been a real treat for me. Let's see here. I would say that's Italian. I'm not even trying to pronounce that. I'm all to hurt myself. Let's see if we can see inside there, Petey. Want to see inside? And it's locked, of course. Let me see. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. Let's see if I can read some of the names on there. Kuzmazinski. That doesn't sound Italian. No, it is Italian. Born in Ponza, Italy. Rita Sacco. Yeah. A loving wife, mother, and Nana. How sweet. How sweet. It's so hard to get in there. The doors are locked, of course. Yeah, this is very nice. Very nice. Let's go see over here, Petey. See this one here. Yeah, this is a beautiful cemetery. Come on, Petey. Come on. Let's go up here. J.P. Clark. Let's see if we can't see in that one. Come on, big guy. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Some urns. See if I can get that. There we go. Beautiful stained glass. 2 urns. Looks like, yeah, I believe they're all full. Margaret Jeanne, wife of James P. Clark. Yeah, it's so hard to see in there. So someone left a penny, which is nice. Okay. Beautiful view. That's the part I did last week. Okay. Let's go down and look at this angel. Look, there's a photograph on this. If it hasn't faded away yet. No, it looks like it's gone. That's sad. Dennis Lee, son of Ronnie and Jeanette. Beautiful little angel. Okay, see this one. Yeah, this is just an outstanding cemetery. While I walk, I would like to give a shout out to a friend in England, Jono's Graveyard Jaunts. He does an outstanding job doing British cemeteries and beautiful churches. He really works hard on his videos, puts a lot of time and effort into them. So if you get a chance to check his channel out, I think you'll be glad you did. And an airplane. Another airplane. Oh, yeah, thank you. Another guest appearance by a guy on an airplane. Okay. Oh, let's see. That's 68/2017. Oh, how sad. A song for my daughter, a beautiful butterfly who lost her wings. Oh, that's so sad. That's so sad. Here we have another one. Beautiful headstone. And another one. Yeah, that's right. You're on Cemetery Visits with Jim. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you. Have a good day. Outstanding. Yeah, but like I was saying, you check out Jono's Graveyard Jaunts. He really does some fine work. Some of those churches and cemeteries that he's done is just really outstanding. Just so beautiful over in England. And he's a nice guy. He really is. Hopefully someday he'll come to West Virginia over here in the colonies, and me and him can do a walkthrough. That would be awesome. Oh, let's see here. Okay, let's flip that up. Oh, okay. Well, hold on, Petey. We're paying respects here, okay? Looks like a nice lady. 1921 or 2001. Okay, let's see. Mr. Frank White. Hold on. Oh, Petey. Petey, you're stronger than I am. He got loose from me. Frank. There we are, Mr. Frank. Mr. Frank White. October 18th, 1969. When he passed, that was a month before my birthday. Long time ago. Yeah, I do love this cemetery. I think Pete likes it too. We pulled in and he about knocked the doors off the hinges getting out. Yeah. Yeah, I like little dogs like that. Compact dogs. Like cleanup is a breeze. I like Tootsie Roll dispensers or something. But spoiler alert, they're not Tootsie Rolls. Sorry for the heavy breathing, but I'm walking uphill here. I've been smoking for really too long. That kind of wears me down a little bit. Let's go over here, big guy. Oh, outstanding view. I believe that's South Charleston. Wow, outstanding. Outstanding. Let's look at this O'Connor stone. Okay, Petey. Oh, well, no information there. Go back this way, big guy. I can read this. I need to give me a torch. I just can't really make it out. Some Murphys. There are a lot of Murphys. That's a Murphy too. Which way to go? Which way to go? Over there? Yeah, I guess I could check it out. Come on, Petey. And another guest appearance. Oscar P. Hill, West Virginia Private U.S. Army, World War I. Thank you for your service, sir. Come on, guy. Come on, big guy. Let's see what this little angel is. We'll go up here, Petey. Robert William Cole, August 25th, 69 to August 28th, 69. Oh, it's a baby. How sad. How sad. Tina Marie Russo, December 5th, 1959. How sad. Oh, there's Stricker, Robert A. Come on now, get off the grave. Robert A. 1934 to 1946. Barbara Jean, she lived one day in 1944. How sad. How sad. Okay, Petey, come on. Yeah, he just go, go, go. And despite his size, I think he's about as strong as a pit bull. Or I'm just weak. I'm probably just weak. Come on, big guy. Check out the mausoleum here real quick. I didn't know this one was here, to be honest. Nice red brick. Campbell, Hannah. All right, buddy, let's go this way. Oh, yeah, some little mementos and stuff. Oh, this is nice. Nice little statue. This is Dad. Oh, we have a photograph. Okay, Pete, let's go down this way, though. Cut down this way real quick. All right, come on. See what these old stones are. Yeah, faded away. 1807 something to 19 something. 19, I guess. Can't make the name out. Oh. Yeah, looks like rain. Ain't supposed to rain till later today, but I guess maybe they're wrong. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. I do appreciate y'all jumping on board. appreciate everyone watching and commenting and everything like that. It means a lot to me. I appreciate each and every one of you. I don't know what that represents. I've never seen one like that before. Try to get down this way. It's like another older part, if time allows. Bridget Dorsey, beloved wife of Patrick Dorsey, born in Ireland, County Clare, I believe. Yeah, County Clare, Ireland, 1830. Died in 1908, October 5th. And Patrick was born in Clare County, Ireland, 1820, and died 1914, age 94. Come on, Petey. Very nice stone, young man, 83, 2007. That's sad. Yeah, I love those laser edge stones. Those are just really amazing. They should last pretty much forever. Well, actually, I priced some of those. They're not, I mean, some of them you can really go all out. I mean, I've seen some $7,000, $8,000, but some of them was really reasonable, under $1,000. So, yeah, that's not too bad. Mother Joanna O'Connor, 1842 to 1904. Okay, come on, Petey. We got a lot to cover, not a lot of time to cover it. Oh, this is sad. June 23, 1988. October 4, 87. They lost 2 children. Oh, that's so terrible. So terrible. Oh, picture a wee baby. Her baby. That's just sad. That is so sad. I mean, this looks interesting. I'm gonna check this out. Let's check this out, Pete. I don't believe I've ever seen fencing like this before. Dominic Monty, I was shredding the name, sorry. 1854 to 1925, and Elizabeth, 1862 to 1937. Yeah, I'm sometimes terrible in name pronunciations. O'Grady cross. That's nice. Father James O'Grady died 1913. How much you want to bet they're from Ireland? Yeah, let's go down this way, Pete. Beautiful view. Legend has it, in this cemetery, there is a body that was brought from Blaine Island up to here back in the early 1900s. And supposedly, he had a full set of upper and gold teeth, which is amazing. But anyhow, as legend goes, his name wasn't given for obvious reasons, because they did reinter him with his gold teeth, which they should. They're his. And another airplane. Excellent, excellent cemetery. Come on, Pete. I got 5 more minutes to go, buddy. Yeah, my device is, the storage is not so great on this. Field. Go down here, Petey. I see these statues down here. Come on. Oh, tree. All right, buddy, take your time. Yep, they got me all doggone here. Okay. All right. William Kahn, 1860-1922. Elizabeth, 1860-1940. Oh, here, let's see this statue, Petey. Come on. Yeah, there's so many interesting things. Like every time you come up here, you always see something different that you missed the first time or the last time you went through. Statue of Jesus. It's very beautiful. Beautiful angel. Fred Shearer, 1890 to 1920. A young man. Sadly, the arm's broken away. Looks to be like there was probably a picture. Sadly, it's gone. It's just so sad. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead. We'll go ahead and end this walkthrough. Get Petey back to the house. I hope you enjoyed that, and leave me a comment. And thanks again for watching. God bless.